In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from dedicated mode to undedicated mode, or also called FlexVat. To do so, we will tap the menu icon at the lower left hand of the screen, and then we will need to tap the advanced icon. We will need to enter the code 1122. Once that comes up, we can then scroll down to where we see cooking actions, and we will select that icon. And then what we're going to do is we're going to disable the dedicated mode by tapping the green button there. Once we do this, we can hit our back arrow, and now once we get rid of these, it will go to an undedicated mode. I will hit the X icon, and now this gives us the option to cook in either side with undedicated products. To select the product, we will just need to tap the icon and then select the desired product we want to use. And that's how we go from dedicated mode to undedicated mode, or called FlexVat.